Good morning, children. Hope you are okay. Now, previously we have learned about the waterways and different types of ships which we have used. Now, more detail will be going through across the canals. Now, what is canals? Canals in the passage are a short route. Okay. So now here, first is to recognize how ships take less time to travel through the Suez Canal and the Panama Canal. Now Suez Canal and Panama Canal. Now Suez Canal through Egypt. This is through Egypt. I will explain you everything in on the map as well as in our reader plus work. Second, connects Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Means from Egypt through Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea connects. The place it connects by we say now short roads, shortcuts. Even by lanes also. Sometimes you will go through short lanes. Okay, like that way. Through water also you can, through the help of canal you can travel through by water from one place to another place in shortcuts. Okay, short routes. Now Panama Canal through Panama, that is through Panama, connects Atlantic and Pacific. Now Atlantic and Pacific it connects. So where is Atlantic and where is Pacific? It is very far. So to make it shortcut, they kept canals. Through these canals they can reach easily and in time. They won't take much time. Shorter sea route, that is known as shorter sea route. Ships take less time. Through these canals, they take less time. Otherwise, they have to travel from months to months. Okay. Now here, through these canals, easily they can, maybe in 15 days also they can travel. Instead of 1 month, they may travel within 15 days, less time through these canals, right? Now, just like there are shorter roads, we also have shorter sea routes that help ships to reach their destination, means that place, faster. So today we will learn about some sea route through which ships can travel in less time. Now here, if we take the route through Egypt, we will reach the United Kingdom much faster from Mumbai by sea. Means from Bombay we can reach very easily to United Kingdom, or United Kingdom much faster from the Mumbai by sea. If we take the route through Central America to reach the Pacific Ocean, instead of traveling all the way round, we will save a lot of time. The route through Egypt is the Suez Canal. It connects the Mediterranean Sea. So from there, Mediterranean Sea, I'll show you in the map, children. 1 minute. Let me explain this. With the Red Sea. Yeah. With the Red Sea, you can see this, right? Here. Now, the sea route through Central America is Panama Canal. Canals are waterways made by humans. Human has made, like tubes through the sea. Earlier, to reach England or any other place in Europe, America from India, people had to travel for months all around Africa, means they have to go to Africa and then they will be reaching that place. Now it takes just about 15 days to do this through the Suez Canal. Through Suez Canal they can reach within 15 days they can reach. Now, can you think of any other ways in which shorter sea routes help us to send things to other countries faster? You want to send something, you can send it faster. Earlier, while traveling by sea, people got sick and could not be treated until they reached land many months later. Means while traveling, if they fall sick, those time there was nobody, no doctors, nothing. They have to reach the land, then only they are being treated. By the time what will happen to that person, we don't know. So this is what happens. Shorter sea routes can prevent problems like this. So because of shorter sea routes, you can reach faster. Now one time I'll show you map on the wall, world political map on the wall, and now with details I'll keep it on my table and I'll show you, because here you can't see properly. Okay, right. Now see this Suez Canal in reader page number 156. Here this is Mediterranean Sea. Okay, you can see this Mediterranean Sea. Now this is a Suez Canal, children. This one, red line is going here till here. This is Suez Canal, children. Okay, this line goes to Suez Canal from Mediterranean Sea. Okay, now I'll read. The Suez Canal and the Panama Canal. Imagine how long it must take to travel through large oceans. Such a big oceans, how it is difficult. Hundreds of years ago, travelers from Europe had to spend many months traveling in the Indian Ocean to reach India. To reach India, they used to take many months. In 1869, the Suez Canal was built to connect the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea through Egypt. Through Egypt, they have made. A canal is a waterway made by people for ships to pass. The building of the Suez Canal made it easy for people to travel between England to India. They were now able to reach in 15 days instead of many months. Now next one, this is map of Panama Canal. Now Panama Canal, that is Atlantic Ocean till Pacific Ocean down. See, Atlantic to Pacific. See this one line. This is very clear, they have showed here. See these canals. See this red one. It is reaching till here, Panama City, till Pacific Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean to Pacific Ocean, means how much long it is, and now they made a canal so that they can reach easily. This is what a shortcut they have done. You understood here? Now, earlier it took a very long time to travel from the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean. In 1914, the Panama Canal was built through a country in Central America called Panama. Now we'll see the map. We have already seen the map. The Panama Canal, like the Suez Canal, is an important sea route. It takes less time to travel by ships through these canals. Now take out your workbook, page number 48, S4, last lesson, last page S4. Okay. Here. Children, do one thing. Here in reader they have written use red or black. Please cut red or black. Please cut it down. Cut it up. And write blue. Blue color. It should be blue color. To mark the sea route in the map. A. From India to United Kingdom through the Suez Canal. That we have to show here. Then B. From the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean through the Panama Canal. Yeah. This is the map, children. See this one. 1 minute. Very light it is here. Atlantic Ocean to Pacific Ocean here through Suez Canal here. Now United Kingdom to Suez Canal. This is Suez Canal till here, till here, till here, till here. Here, this is United Kingdom. Can you see it, children? 1 minute. One minute, children. It's very small font it is. See this United Kingdom. See this blue color. Pencil, no? With the pencil, blue color pencil. You must draw. Draw with pencil, not with pen. And here, like this. This is Pacific Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean. Here till here. Till here. Till Suez Canal. Atlantic to this one, Panama Canal. This is. Got it? And this is Suez Canal. Carefully you do, see and do. Now, 2. Question 2. Give at least 2 reasons how canals help ships. Ship can take less time to travel through shorter routes. People and things traveling by ships can reach faster if ships take shorter routes. Now see one time, no? I'll show you. Got it? Can you see? You can see, zoom it and see also, children. One time. Okay. Now, children, I will show you map. Just see, children, this is map on the table. Just see, this is Mediterranean Sea. Through Mediterranean Sea, this you can see this. This is the symbol of waterways. Okay, from here, see, it is going through Egypt. This is Suez. See, this is a Suez Canal here. Did you see the Suez Canal here? Here till here, Mediterranean Sea. Okay, did you get it? This is all Mediterranean, through Mediterranean and Egypt. It is crossing like this. You can see this red line also. Okay. Then, now, this is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean, Panama Canal. 1 minute. Atlantic Ocean to Pacific Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean, northern side, to Pacific Ocean. Panama. See this Panama. Okay, this is all Panama Canal. Okay, here canals are there. Panama city is there. See. Understood? So this is the canal. See, this is the canal here. See, red symbol is there here. They have showed no legend. We have learned no what is legend to identify. See, seaports. Okay, these are the seaports. Marking to identify. See, this is Panama Canal, and this is Mediterranean Sea. From here to here it is going. Okay, so such a big shortcuts they have done from Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea. See, Egypt. It is passing through Egypt like this. Like this it's going. Got it? Okay, please listen. You can open your video. You can listen 2-3 times so that you can understand. Okay, and write the notes. All the best. Okay,